Hello and welcome back. What if your body was sending you warning signals right now, but you were missing them entirely? Today, we're talking about a silent epidemic affecting 1 in 4 adults worldwide, fatty liver disease. This condition often shows no symptoms until significant damage has already occurred. But there's one red flag so alarming that doctors immediately order extensive testing when they see it. Stay with me until the end to discover what this serious warning sign is. It could literally save your life or the life of someone you care about. On this channel, we dive deep into health issues that matter. Let's explore the 7 critical warning signs of fatty liver disease that you absolutely cannot afford to ignore. Before we continue, if you value evidence-based health information that could potentially save lives, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, sharing this video might help someone who's experiencing these symptoms but doesn't know what they mean. Now, let's get back to understanding fatty liver disease. Imagine your liver as the ultimate chemical processing plant in your body. It filters toxins, processes nutrients, and produces essential proteins like albumin that maintain your body's fluid balance. When healthy, it's a remarkable organ capable of regeneration. But what happens when things go wrong? Picture this: fat cells gradually infiltrating your liver, similar to unwanted visitors overstaying their welcome. At first, they seem harmless, but as they multiply, they begin to crowd the vital liver cells. This excess fat triggers inflammation, and your liver cells start to become damaged. Your once efficient processing plant now struggles to keep up with its daily tasks. Blood tests might show elevated liver enzymes, particularly ALT, alanine aminotransferase, which is like the check engine light of your liver, a clear indication something's not right inside. If ignored, this process can lead to scarring, what doctors call fibrosis, and eventually cirrhosis, where your liver becomes so damaged it can no longer function properly. At this stage, liver failure becomes a very real possibility. But your body doesn't remain silent during this process. It sends out distress signals, symptoms that serve as early warning signs if you know what to look for. The first warning sign is often persistent fatigue that doesn't improve with rest. When your liver struggles, your energy levels plummet. This isn't your typical end-of-day tiredness. It's a bone-deep exhaustion that persists regardless of how much you sleep. Why? Your compromised liver can't process nutrients efficiently, leading to decreased energy production throughout your body. Additionally, toxins that would normally be filtered out begin to accumulate, further draining your energy reserves. The second warning sign involves digestive issues, particularly unexplained nausea. When fat accumulates in your liver, it can interfere with bile production, which is essential for digesting fats. This disruption can lead to frequent nausea, especially after fatty meals. Some people also experience a feeling of fullness or discomfort under the right side of the rib cage, exactly where your liver sits. This might feel like a dull ache or a sensation of pressure that comes and goes. If you're finding this information valuable, please take a moment to hit that like button. It helps this vital health information reach more people who might need it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to join our health-conscious community. Let's continue exploring these crucial warning signs. The third warning sign is perhaps the most visually apparent: jaundice. When your liver can't properly process bilirubin, a yellow pigment formed when old red blood cells break down, this substance builds up in your bloodstream, causing your skin and the whites of your eyes to take on a yellowish tint. Jaundice is never normal and indicates significant liver dysfunction. It's a clear signal that your liver is in trouble and requires immediate medical attention. By the time jaundice appears, your liver function may already be seriously compromised. The fourth warning sign is a change in your urine color. Have you noticed your urine becoming darker, maybe the color of strong tea or cola, even when you're well hydrated? This isn't just dehydration, it's another sign of elevated bilirubin levels in your bloodstream. Your kidneys are trying to filter out the excess bilirubin, resulting in this distinctive dark urine. If this persists for more than a day or two, it warrants medical attention. The fifth warning sign is pain or discomfort in your right upper abdomen. As your liver becomes inflamed and enlarged due to fat accumulation, you might experience pain or discomfort directly over your liver area in the upper right portion of your abdomen just beneath your ribs. This discomfort can range from a dull, persistent ache to a feeling of fullness or heaviness. Some describe it as a sensation of pressure or tenderness when the area is touched. This symptom often becomes more noticeable after heavy meals or alcohol consumption when your liver is working harder. The sixth warning sign involves fluid retention in your extremities. When your liver function deteriorates, it can't produce enough albumin, a protein that helps keep fluid in your bloodstream. Without sufficient albumin, fluid leaks into surrounding tissues, especially in gravity-dependent areas like your ankles and feet. You might notice that your shoes feel tighter as the day progresses, or that pressing your finger into your skin leaves an indentation that takes time to disappear, what doctors call pitting edema. This swelling can be uncomfortable and is often worse at the end of the day. The seventh warning sign is unexplained, persistent itchiness. As liver function declines, substances that would normally be filtered out by your liver begin to accumulate in your bloodstream. Some of these can irritate nerve endings in your skin, causing intense itchiness without any visible rash. This itching is often worse at night and can be particularly intense on the palms of your hands and soles of your feet. It can be extremely distressing and significantly impact your quality of life. Additional sign: nail changes. Your nails can also reveal important clues about your liver health. Look for Muirica's lines, horizontal white bands across the nails. Terry's nails, nails that are mostly white with a thin pink band at the top. Clubbing, nails that curve downward, and fingertips that become rounder and wider. These nail changes occur because liver dysfunction affects protein synthesis and oxygen delivery throughout your body. If you've made it this far, you're clearly someone who takes health seriously. Please help us spread this vital information by liking this video and sharing it with friends and family. These simple actions could help someone recognize these symptoms early, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our community focused on evidence-based health information. Now for the serious red flag I mentioned at the beginning, tarry black stools. When you notice your stools are black and tarry in appearance, what medical professionals call melena, it's often a sign of bleeding in your upper digestive tract. In advanced liver disease, particularly cirrhosis, the pressure in the blood vessels around your esophagus and stomach increases significantly, leading to varices, enlarged veins that can rupture and bleed. This internal bleeding is digested as it moves through your intestines, resulting in that characteristic black tarry appearance of your stool. Unlike other symptoms that might develop gradually, this sign requires immediate medical attention as it can indicate a life-threatening condition. If you ever notice this symptom, don't wait. Seek emergency medical care immediately. This could be a sign of advanced liver disease that requires urgent intervention. Before we conclude, I need to emphasize that this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice. The symptoms we've discussed can be caused by various conditions, not just fatty liver disease. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, please consult with a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Early detection and intervention can significantly improve outcomes for fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease often progresses silently, but your body does send warning signals if you know what to look for. From fatigue and abdominal discomfort to more alarming signs like jaundice and dark urine, recognizing these symptoms early can make all the difference. Remember, up to 25% of adults worldwide have some form of fatty liver disease, and many don't know it. The good news is that early-stage fatty liver disease is often reversible with lifestyle modifications. Diet changes, exercise, weight management, and avoiding alcohol can all help restore your liver health before permanent damage occurs. Your liver is remarkably resilient. Give it the chance to heal by paying attention to these warning signs and taking action early. If you found this information valuable, please support our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Your engagement helps us create more evidence-based health content that could potentially. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.